Planning a customized kitchen installation. Kitchen installation can be a challenging task. This is because this part of the house is vital. It is not only the place where meals are being prepared. Often, people dwelling in the home and the visitors get together in the kitchen. It should be easy to clean and spacious enough as well. There are many things that you should take into consideration in planning whether the installation of your new kitchen or just its remodeling. This article aims to help you in designing it as how you wanted it. Design the layout. This is a vital step in kitchen installation. You can draw the layout in a piece of paper. Figure out where and how you would place your appliances, the islands, the cabinets, dining area and other decors that you might want to add up. Of course, you must not forget the windows and entryways for proper ventilation. All of them must be strategically arranged so that your kitchen can be functional. It is important that you do a draft of the layout, as it will allow you to make necessary changes as often as you please without the much hassle of rearranging the appliances and others.